We, the Anangu, invite you to come and see, listen and understand the newest, most groundbreaking Ulur experience yet, Wintjiri Wiru. Since the beginning, we've walked this land and shared our stories. We've shared them by spoken word and through our art and ceremonies. Today, we invite you to take part in this timeless story in an entirely new way. A spectacle that lights up the night sky above Australia's beating heart. Watch over 1,000 drones, projections and lasers choreographed together to tell the Mala story. While you enjoy a culinary experience of exceptional Indigenous-inspired flavours, we have held hands with voyagers to create Wintjiri Wiru together, to leave guests deeply connected with our land and our culture. To see a world first at a breathtaking icon, book today. It's just wow.